welcome back to my channel. Assalamualaikum semuanya. Oke, di video kali ini saya mau membuat kartu undangan ulang tahun buat anak-anak ya. Saya di sini akan membuat undangan dengan tema dinosaurus. Oke, kita langsung saja buka aplikasi Canva-nya. Teman-teman yang belum punya aplikasi Canva bisa download di Play Store. Nah, setelah terbuka, kita klik tanda plus atau tanda tambah ya. Kemudian di pencarian kita ketik undangan. Saya pilih yang kartu pernikahan yang paling bawah ya. Setelah terbuka, klik tanda plus, kemudian elemen, ketik green background. Scroll ke samping kanan, klik lainnya, pilih tetapkan gambar. Nah, saya di sini ubah warnanya ya, jadi agak ke hijau, agak tua hijaunya. Kemudian klik tambah elemen, kemudian oval. Oval ini saya duplikat ya. Yang satu saya ganti warnanya jadi warna coklat. Saya taruh di belakang. Kemudian kita klik tanda plus, elemen, kita cari pohon kelapa. Saya pilih yang ini ya. Change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah. Kemudian klik lagi tanda plus, elemen, dan saya cari dengan kata kunci dinosaurus. Yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just want to be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. The festival that we met at, where you were just a face in a crowd, and now I can't imagine me with anybody else. As we close out the night underneath the lilac sky, summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
Tanda plus, kemudian pilih elemen, kemudian ketik papan nama.
You'll be close. I will wait as long as it's for you. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray.
Fontnya saya pakai Adigiana Toyboz.
Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade